everyone. It's day one of the Nature Basket Sew Along here at T&T, and I'm so excited to get to sew along with you. My name is Erica, and I have loved being a part of the Twig Tale team this last year and getting to know you all via social media and customer support. Please know as we start, a Twig Tale Sew Along comes with no pressure. Please feel free to join in, but continue at your own pace. There is no requirement to finish every step every day or even complete the project by the end of our sew-along period. These videos will stay available for as long as you need to refer to them, and we encourage you to take the time and care that you need to complete the project. We'll be here to cheer you on whenever you need. You've got this. You are also welcome to just tune in and see if the Nature Basket is a project you would like to work towards. Many of the tips you learn will help you complete other Twig and Tail projects as well. So, shall we start? Today we will be tackling all of the prep for our Nature Basket, from planning to preparing our fabric pieces. The most important part of any project is this planning. Now is the time to put some thought into your project to help the rest of it go smoothly. You'll want to have all of your materials gathered. For more information on that, please refer to our previous sew-along video. First things first, you'll need to decide which of the nature baskets you intend to make and in what size. There are 3 separate nature basket patterns. I've already made this one, an extra small ocean basket. There is also the cloud and forest basket options. I will be making a forest basket during the sew-along, but don't worry, the method is nearly the same for all of them, and I will be highlighting any differences as we go. There are 4 sizes included as well. Extra small, size to fit a 9-inch doll, all the way up to large, size to fit an 18-inch doll. More information on sizing can be found in your pattern tutorial. Also, now is a good time to consider any applique, embroidery, or other embellishment you like to make. Knowing this ahead of time will help you add them at the appropriate point, and of course, have them prepared. Any embroidery is often best added in the beginning prior to doing any quilting. Appliques are best added after quilting, which I will show later on. It is also possible to use pre-made embroidered patches or to create your own embroidered patches. That's what I've done here to add the new humpback whale to my ocean basket. Of course, the world is your oyster here. The only limit is your own imagination. The inspiration pages in your pattern will give you lots of other great ideas, as well as searching here in the Facebook group. Of course, the next step, as usual, will be to prepare your pattern. If you've already had your pattern printed in A0 large scale, you're all ready to go. Otherwise, fire up your projector or your printer and get things ready. The Twig and Tail blog has a really helpful primer on printing and assembling a PDF pattern. I'll add the link to the post. Once you have your pattern assembled, it's time to start cutting. This pattern is a bit different than some in that you won't be cutting all your pieces out entirely right away. You can refer to page 16 in your pattern tutorial to see exactly which pieces to cut out for your desired basket at this point in time. You'll be cutting out all of your lining and batting, but only a couple of the exterior pieces. The remaining exterior pieces and interfacing will be cut out at a later time. Just make sure the rest of your exterior fabric is pressed now so that it's all neat and ready to go. I find it helpful to trace all of my interfacing pieces at once. This lets me have them all prepared in one fell swoop and not have to fiddle with it later. It also allows me to use my interfacing a bit more efficiently. However, you are welcome to also do the pieces as you need them, as described in the tutorial. Here's a rundown of all of the interfacing pieces you will need. No need to trim them carefully right now. Just trace them all, including notches and rough cut around them. Then if you'd like, you can go ahead and fuse them to the appropriate fabrics, which are mostly exterior pieces, and then trim more carefully. And that concludes day 1. I know, we haven't even touched the sewing machine yet. That's okay. A little prep now will leave us much better prepared for the rest of the process, which is always worth the time spent. If you have any questions on today's video, please leave me a comment and I will answer them for you. Then join us right here tomorrow for day 2.